Hey guys, Ali is here. I want to show you some tips and exercises to target your lower and outer part of the chest. I will show you a superset. I did it to warm-up set. This is my working set. This is chest dumbbell press. This is the first exercise that I do. This is the first superset. Okay. Try to go down. I saw many people do like this. Don't do it. Okay, go down and go up. And then I will superset it to dumbbell fly. What the difference is? I do I put my back on the edge of this bench. But go down as much as you can. When you go up, don't close it. Go straight up like this. It is just, you can do it for pump. Stretch it, go up. I don't know why, but this open up my chest better. Okay, you can try this one. Okay, this is good for variations. Definitely the normal exercises will work better, but this is just only for variation. If you're tired of normal exercises, you can do this. Open it, go up, just go forward. 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 5, some partials. Oh. See? It's worse here. Another exercise for your lower chest, which is really works. It's deep, but keep your feet a little forward and go down. It's the best exercise for your lower chest. The last one is crossover, and you can superset it with dips. But I normally sit down on my knees and I open my arms and go down. I don't close it. Okay? I go straight down. Go down. Directly down. Some partials. You feel outer part of your chest. Okay, thank you for watching. I show you 4 exercises, simple exercises. As always, keep everything simple.